Getting your own security camera fitted doesn't have to cost you a fortune. With asking prices plummeting, you can get yourself a sufficient portable camera for less than £50. This is the new IMILAB EC3 Lite camera. It is a lightweight outdoor camera with some impressive smart features out of the box. It has features like 2 spotlights, 3 night vision modes, and customization of motion detection and scheduling within the trusted app. So let's see just what you're getting for your money and unbox this item. What's great about the EC3 Lite is that it requires very little setup and the accessories to get it up and running. In the box you get the camera itself, wall mount, screws, along with a very basic power cable. Now I won't lie, that power cable isn't exactly the longest, so the intention of this is to be placed near a window, doorway or location where a plug is accessible. You could obviously use an extension lead, but that's up to you. The EC3 Lite is a little robust dynamite. Its dimensions are only 86mm by 93, making it perfect for small discreet locations. Now not only that, but this camera is resistant to rain, snow, sun and dust. With an IP66 waterproof rating, it can work perfectly come rain or shine. The image quality from this unit is beyond satisfactory. The EC3 Lite outdoor camera provides 2K crystal clear video for both day and nighttime, and we will talk about that in a little more detail later on. The accompanying app is an absolute godsend for those who need to monitor their home regularly or want to set schedules. One of the best features by far is its motion detections and ways in which you can customize it to suit your needs. One way to monitor motion is by setting a key area. If you have the camera positioned in a location that has a high traffic area of motion, you can actually set an adjustable tracking area. By doing this, you will only be alerted to motion within that area, so you won't get false reports of neighbours taking out bins or simple pedestrians walking past. Alternatively, you could set a border crossing line, which acts as a motion point for anything that may cross it. Both motion options offer versatility in how you control the alerts sent to your phone. Once any motion is detected, you will receive an instant alert sent straight to your phone. There you can open it up and either save the footage or discard it as unneeded. We can set customized actions for when motion is detected too. One of those is starting the built-in siren and flashing lights. When both of these are activated upon motion detection, it is sure to be a highly effective way of deterring possible intruders. This AI Spot an Intruder software will mean that you will never miss anything. Now in terms of night vision, you actually have 3 options to choose from. The first is the conventional black and white night vision option. At night it illuminates the image, allowing for a highly concealed and incognito camera setup. The image is more than good enough to pick up facial features and number plates. The second option is color night vision. This activates the white lights and acts as a floodlight to produce all night color imaging, and when it dawns, that light will turn off. Finally, the intelligent night vision allows for the ability to switch to full color night vision when it detects human motion. When no motion is detected, you stay in black and white, but when motion occurs, the light will activate and you will get a full color image. Really nice ability. Two-way calls might not be for everyone, but it does allow you to communicate with possible intruders, delivery drivers and more. There is a slight lag time, but nothing too considerable. You can take full advantage of the EC3 Lite's ability to support both cloud storage and local SD card storage, so you have 2 options to where you can get those videos downloaded to. All in all, the EC3 Lite is an affordable and feature-packed security camera with abilities that will certainly give you peace of mind. Be sure to check out this product in a link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.